Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to our Band Baja Budget series. In case you're watching my video for the very first time, so then hello, hi, I am Jamie and I just want to make your weddings and wedding plannings a lot easier. So every week I come up with new videos on DIY wedding decorations, wedding planning, makeup, jewelry, shopping, all of it. So guys, in case you haven't yet subscribed to my channel yet, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel before we start into the video. So guys, in today's video I've got something very special and amazing for all brides to be. I actually happened to pick up two bridal sets from Amazon because I wanted to try bridal jewelry from Amazon. बहुत टाइम से सुना है, खुद कभी ट्राई नहीं किया है. I really wanted to check out how the bridal jewelry is actually when you buy it from Amazon. So I ordered like two bridal sets from Amazon which were actually the best sellers. Let's see how it goes. मैं आपको सारी जो jewelry के सारे parts है सब कुछ डिटेल में बताने वाली हूँ. Let's get started guys. So this is the first set that we are going to review today, but before we start the video I have a very special giveaway announcement. I am going to give away this whole bridal set to one of the lucky winners who is going to subscribe to the channel. And also guys, please do not forget to comment below this video. As soon as we reach 100,000 subscribers, we are already 80k. As soon as we hit 100k, I am going to gift this beautiful bridal set to one of you guys. Do not forget to subscribe and comment below this video. So first we have this heavy beautiful choker जिसमें green stone कुंदन और pearl का काम है. This is beautiful guys. जब मैंने ये खरीदा था I did not expect this to be this beautiful. I'm totally impressed by the quality that I got for 2k. Just look at this. It's so heavy. One necklace, one choker is enough to cover your neck area. We also have a long necklace in this set, as you can see. This is quite long and it reaches till the length of my blouse. So the entire front portion is covered and it looks really grand. Guys, honestly, back in 2018 जब मेरी शादी हुई थी, I bought an artificial jewelry set from shop for 25,000 rupees. Can you believe it? And now when I think of it, it was such a total waste. I'm getting this beautiful jewelry online for 2,000 rupees. Many times जब online हम देखते हैं, photos देखते हैं, समझ में नहीं आता how the quality will be. So that is why I personally ordered it to check the quality, and this is beautiful. These are the pair of earrings that I got with the set. ये भी बहुत ही खूबसूरत है guys. And इसके साथ एक लटकन जैसा भी आता है. There's an extension that you can actually pin up with your hair जिसमें कुंदन का काम है. ये earring भी बहुत ही सुंदर है. They are medium size, not too small, not too large, because choker के साथ आपको बहुत बड़े earrings की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So I got this entire set from Amazon, as I mentioned. The links are in my description box guys. Do go check them out. बहुत सारे color options भी मिल जाएंगे आपको इसमें. This is the heavy मांग टीका that comes with the set. ये भी यार बहुत ही pretty है. Especially जो green stone in between. The entire मांग टीका actually gives me a जोधा अकबर वाला जोधा look. Very very royal. अच्छा गाइज, टॉकिंग ऑफ अमेजॉन, बाय द वे मुझे एक चीज़ बोलना था. अमेजॉन मेगा फैशन सेल इज गोइंग ऑन इन द डेट्स 26, 27 एंड 28th of November. Do go check it out. You can get actually this particular set and a lot of other things in a big discount. The next thing that we have here in the bridal set is this beautiful झूमर. ये वाला झूमर भी बहुत ही pretty है. Guys, the best thing that I loved about this bridal set कि मतलब इसमें सब कुछ ही है. You have everything inclusive in one set, because we know the pain, right? To actually go in search of different things and to color match, it's a pain. So everything is included in this particular set that we have here. There are also two bracelets which is connected to a ring और जिसपे पूरा कुंदन का काम है. ये जो ring है ये adjustable है and this is how it looks. Usually I am not a huge fan of such ornaments जिसमें bracelets और ring और ऐसे connected होता है हाथ के लिए, but I kind of loved it. This is actually looking pretty. Guys, to be honest, if I have to tell you कि मुझे ये वाला set क्यों इतना अच्छा लगा, I felt this is totally worth for 2,000 rupees, because many times क्या होता है when you buy stuff for 2,000, 3,000 rupees, वो जो work है उसमें पता चलता है कि it is not expensive. But ये वाला जो particular set है, I really felt if you actually don't tell the price of this particular set, सबको लगेगा कि ये बहुत ही महंगा है, because इसका जो काम है ये इतना बारीक और इतना सुंदर है. It really doesn't go in a budget set, and it's totally worth for 2,000 is what I felt. There's also a nose ring that comes with the set जिसपे पूरा stone work है और मोती का काम है. Check this out. So guys, that's the first jewelry set that we have checked out now. I hope you guys like the first jewelry set. All the links are mentioned in the description box guys. Do go check it out. आपको बहुत सारे color option मिल जाएंगे. Let me repeat. And one more thing guys, in case you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do go and subscribe, because once we hit that 100k, I am going to gift this particular bridal set to one of you guys as a giveaway. It's gonna come your way soon, so don't forget to subscribe and comment below this video. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, which is sponsored by Amazon. So we are at the end of the first part guys. Let's move on to the next bridal set that we have in the video today. So this is the next jewelry set that I've picked up from Amazon. You know what guys, I thought जो पहला वाला set था वो काफ़ी heavy था, तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना ये सेकेंड वाला जो सेट है इसको थोड़ा सा लाइट रखा जाए, थोड़ा सा क्लासी, एलिगेंट, नॉट वेरी हैवी. सो दिस इज़ अगेन कुंदन एंड पर्ल का काम. इसमें भी आपको बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. डू गो चेक माई डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर ऑल द लिंक्स. दिस इज़ हाउ द नेकलेस लुक्स. So these are the beautiful pair of kundan and pearl earrings that comes with the set. इसका size काफ़ी बड़ा है. You can pair the entire set with lehenga, sari, for your wedding functions. It looks beautiful. You have a lot of color options also. Go check them out in my link in description. The best part about this set is the मांग टीका. मुझे इसका मांग टीका बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. ऊपर बहुत ही छोटे छोटे मोतियों का काम है, and the way it actually fits on my forehead, it's just perfect. So guys, this is the second bridal set that we have in our video today. तो इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं हैं. You just have a necklace, choker necklace, you have earrings and you have a मांग टीका. So in case you wanna go for something light, you can consider this. अगर आपको बहुत ही heavy वाला bridal jewelry चाहिए, so you can check out the first jewelry set. All the links are there in description box guys. Check them out. Lots of love guys. See you next week with another wonderful video. Lots of love. Bye bye. Take care. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.